Okay, this is our last piece of railing here. Actually came out to about 59, 60 inches. All the angles are cut for here and there and everywhere. Have our bungees on, and we can get a little bit of play in here. Ooh, isn't that cool? And my help here is ready to help me in case I can't do it all by myself. So we get it in and get it lined up. All right, and more screwing. Ooh. Okay, we got in the concrete steps, we got in the stringers, we have in all the railings, we put on all the caps. This job is officially done.